Want to build strong client relationships and earn repeat business through effective communication? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to communicate professionally with buyers on Fiverr to ensure smooth projects and satisfied customers. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Clear communication is the foundation of successful Fiverr partnerships. It helps prevent misunderstandings, builds trust, and often leads to repeat business and positive reviews. Let me share my proven communication framework. First, always begin with a warm, professional greeting when a buyer first contacts you. Thank them for their interest and acknowledge their project needs specifically. This sets a positive tone for your entire interaction. Ask clarifying questions to fully understand their requirements before quoting or committing. Questions like, "What's your target audience?" or "Do you have any specific style preferences?" show you're attentive and committed to delivering exactly what they need. Provide regular updates throughout the project, especially for longer deliverables. A quick message saying, "I'm halfway through your project and it's progressing well," can reassure buyers and prevent them from worrying about the status. Be responsive but set boundaries. Aim to reply within a few hours during business hours, but it's okay to let buyers know your typical response time. This manages expectations while maintaining your work-life balance. A crucial pro tip: use Fiverr's Save Response feature for frequently asked questions, but always personalize these templates. Also, keep all communication on the Fiverr platform to ensure you're protected by their terms of service and have a record if any disputes arise. And just like that, you've mastered professional client communication on Fiverr. Clear, timely communication not only ensures project success but also builds your reputation as a reliable, professional seller. If these communication strategies help you build better client relationships, please give it a like. What's your most effective communication tip for Fiverr buyers? Share your wisdom in the comments below. To continue optimizing your responsiveness, subscribe for our next video on how to provide fast responses on Fiverr. Thanks for watching.